Paris, the City of Light, is renowned for its art, culture, history, and beauty. Join us on this exciting journey through the City of Light, as we delve into its rich history, vibrant culture, and enchanting atmosphere. Get ready to discover the city's most iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and local experiences that make Paris a must-visit destination. Welcome to our exploration of the best places in Paris. Here are some of the best places to visit in Paris. Let's start with the Eiffel Tower, the symbol of Paris and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. Also known as the Iron Lady, this architectural marvel was completed in 1889 for the World's Fair. Standing at 324 meters tall, it offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks. When visiting the Eiffel Tower, consider staying at nearby accommodations like the Pullman Paris Tour Eiffel, which offers stunning views of the tower from your room. Did you know that the Eiffel Tower was initially criticized by many prominent artists and intellectuals of the time? For an unforgettable local experience, try dining at the tower's restaurant, Le Jules Verne, for a gourmet meal with a panoramic view. Next, we head to the Louvre Museum, home to thousands of works of art, including the famous Mona Lisa. This former royal palace has a rich history, having been transformed into a museum during the French Revolution. The Louvre's vast collection spans centuries and includes masterpieces from various cultures. Stay close to the action at Hôtel du Louvre, located just steps away from the museum. Be sure to explore the Tuileries Garden nearby for a leisurely stroll through beautifully manicured lawns and sculptures. Our journey continues to the Notre-Dame Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of French Gothic art. Built in the 12th century, it has witnessed significant historical events, including the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte. Although the cathedral suffered a devastating fire in 2019, restoration efforts are underway to restore its former glory. Don't miss the chance to climb to the cathedral's towers for a closer look at its stunning gargoyles and panoramic views of the city. Consider staying at Hôtel de Lutis on the Île St. Louis for a charming and authentic Parisian experience. Now, let's venture to Montmartre, a historic and bohemian neighborhood known for its artistic heritage and picturesque streets. Often referred to as the Artists' Hill, Montmartre was home to famous artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. For a local experience, wander through the Place du Tertre, where street artists display their works and offer portraits. Visit the iconic Basilica of the Sacré-Cœur, perched atop the hill, for a stunning view of Paris. Don't forget to visit the Musée de Montmartre to learn more about the area's artistic history. Stay at Hôtel des Arts Montmartre for a cozy and artistic atmosphere. Our next stop is the Champs-Élysées, one of the most famous avenues in the world, leading to the magnificent Arc de Triomphe. The Arc de Triomphe, commissioned by Napoleon in 1806, honors those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. The eternal flame at the tomb of the unknown soldier beneath the arch is a poignant reminder of France's history. Stay at the luxurious Hotel Barrière-Le Fouquet's Paris for a prime location on the Champs-Élysées. Enjoy a shopping spree at high-end boutiques and indulge in delicious pastries at Le Durée. For an unforgettable local event, plan your visit around Bastille Day on July 14th to witness the Grand Military Parade along the Champs-Élysées. For a unique perspective of Paris, take a Seine river cruise. The Seine River, flowing through the heart of the city, offers stunning views of many landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and Louvre Museum. A river cruise is a relaxing way to see the city, especially at night when the illuminated monuments create a magical ambiance. Consider a dinner cruise with Bateaux Parisians for a memorable evening with gourmet dining and live music. Staying at a riverside hotel like Citizen M Paris Gare de Lyon allows you to easily access these scenic cruises. Our journey continues to the Latin Quarter, a vibrant and historic district known for its lively atmosphere and intellectual heritage. The Latin Quarter is home to the Sorbonne University and numerous cafes, bookshops, and historic sites. Explore the charming streets and visit the Pantheon, where notable figures like Voltaire and Rousseau are buried. Stay at the Hôtel des Grands Hommes for a unique experience near the Pantheon. For a local experience, visit the Shakespeare & Company Bookstore, a literary haven for book lovers. Don't miss the lively Rue Mouffetard Market for a taste of local produce and delicacies. A short trip from Paris takes us to the opulent Palace of Versailles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of absolute monarchy. The palace, originally a hunting lodge, was transformed by King Louis XIV into a grandiose residence. Explore the Hall of Mirrors, the lavish gardens, and the estate of Trianon. Consider staying at Waldorf Astoria Versailles Trianon Palace for a luxurious experience near the palace. For a local event, visit Versailles during the musical Fountains show, where the gardens come alive with music and water displays. No visit to Paris is complete without indulging in its world-renowned cuisine. Try escargot, coq au vin, and ratatouille at traditional bistros like La Procope. For dessert, indulge in macarons from Pierre Hermé or chocolates from La Maison du Chocolat. From freshly baked croissants to exquisite pastries, Paris offers a culinary delight at every corner. As the sun sets, Paris comes alive with its vibrant nightlife. Explore the lively Marais District for trendy bars and clubs. Visit the historic Moulin Rouge for an iconic cabaret experience. For a unique night out, head to the Speakeasy-style bar, Little Red Door, for innovative cocktails in a cozy atmosphere. And that wraps up our tour of the best places in Paris, France. We hope you enjoyed discovering the city's iconic landmarks, rich history, and local experiences. Until next time, au revoir. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!